Morning traders, my name is Cameron Ficker. You're at Traders Network Club and welcome back to another Pip Hunter Trading Show. So last week we closed out all our pips on Thursday. New Zealand CAD was holding on till yesterday, so we just closed out that too. So we closed out all the trades and we're looking for some more opportunities this week. So we're going to jump right to it after this break. All right, how's everybody doing this morning? Good morning, good morning. And welcome to a new start of the week. And we're going to get right to it. I just got my water for this morning. My throat is a little weird today, so I need to clear it up. But good morning. And yeah, guys, so we closed out all our pips. As you can see, we got all 5 out trades fresh and brand new, ready to look for some more, okay? So let's go ahead and jump right to the charts and see what opportunities we have in the market. Good morning, Ollie. Good morning. Glad you are here. All right. Computer's been a little slow today, so please bear with me. Hopefully, starts getting a little better here. Okay. So look at the Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD came back to a supply zone over here, and it has dipped back down. Okay, so we are creating a lower low here. So we have broke through this, and I'm on the 1 hour. So we are having a little downtrend here on the 1 hour. Okay. I don't know why I said little, but we are having a downtrend. What's going on here with my charts? Okay. Does it not want to place a trend line for me? What's going on? Okay. That's weird. All right. So we got a downtrend here on the 1 hour. Price broke through. It's going to come back up for liquidity, but it is making its move back down. Okay, now let me go ahead and add my RSI here. As you see, I have some new indicators I've been testing here. Good morning, Hector. Good morning, Orlando. Good morning. Good morning, Matthias. So let me go here and just quickly add in my RSI. All right, there's my RSI, and then what I can do is go to my settings here. We don't need this. And we can actually change this to white so I can see that better. All right. So his price coming back up. So you're on the Aussie CAD. Price is let's go back to the 50-minute time frame. So we are on the downtrend here on the 1 hour. Okay. Price is making a breakthrough through this trend line. So we are having a correction right now. I believe it's a correction we're having. So let me see here. So price is creating highs here. Came back down and broke this low. So price is breaking through this high right now. So I believe we're gonna have a little correction as price comes back down to the demand zone over here. So on the Aussie CAD, we're gonna go ahead and sell. And just like I said, when we break support, which we're using this trend line as a support level, break support, we're gonna go ahead and pull up my tool over here. We're gonna go ahead and sell into more levels, okay? As price keeps moving, and then price comes back down and gonna hit our target, okay? Falling wedge. I wouldn't say this is a falling wedge, Ollie. It's just a downtrend. All right, let's go ahead and clear this up. If I actually zoom out here, Ollie, this is a falling wedge right here. Why is my trend line not working? So yes, we did have a falling wedge right here. Price broke through this falling wedge. Okay. Right here, there's a falling wedge, price broke. There's another falling wedge right here, price broke, came back down. You see that? So we have these falling wedges, price breaks, comes back down, breaks through this falling wedge right here, and comes back up for liquidity. And we're moving on a downtrend as price is creating lower lows. So we're gonna still have price keep moving back down. Okay. We're gonna have price still moving back down. So going back to the 1 hour, as you can see here, price is moving is moving down on the high time frame. Okay. I don't see any positive divergence. Actually I do. Let me go back to the 50-minute. So let me go ahead and delete these now. You don't need to see this. So I do see um almost an exaggerated divergence over here. Yeah, you can see some. We do have some divergence here. That's showing price is obviously going to go up, which it already did. And look at that, momentum is already moving to an overbought. So this is not a lot of momentum. So we're going to get that. This is the correction move. We're going to get price coming back down. So we're going to go ahead and sell on the Aussie CAD. We're going to go ahead and sell on the Aussie CAD. I see. All right, Aussie CAD. Let's go ahead and sell. Let me just go ahead and double check. Ollie, thanks. Just give me a second here, guys. Let's see here, using these supply. So we are in a previous supply zone. Okay. So going like this. This is a previous supply zone right here. Interesting. Now, does price have enough? Let's see here. 20 pips is just right up there. Do I see price moving up there? Okay, I see. I see. It might be too close if we go ahead and buy on this correction. Okay, because I see 20 pips is just right, kind of just in the above zone of the supply zone. Okay. So, and sorry, let me make this green so you guys can see this is a demand zone here. So to go ahead and buy on this correction could be a little tight. We can miss our target because it's right above the supply zone. If price doesn't make it all the way to that supply zone and turns around, we're going to miss our target buying on this correction. So in that case, is I rather go ahead and sell as price keeps going back up. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and cost average in. Okay. So on the Aussie CAD, let's go ahead and sell. All right, so we're short on the Aussie CAD. Let's go to the Euro US dollar. All right, Euro US dollar. Let's go on the Euro US dollar. Take a look at the 1 hour. You can already tell. Okay. So price is at a previous supply zone. So let's go ahead and, oops, sorry, didn't mean to do that. Let's go ahead and change this. This is a nice previous supply zone right here. Price is sitting at, okay. And looking at the 1 hour, you can see price broke through this falling wedge. Come back up and still creating high. So we are we are moving up right now. Okay. So we are starting to get price moving up here on the higher time frame. So looking at the 15-minute time frame here. Okay. Do I see any divergence? Um, no, I do not see any divergence as of right now. Price hit a nice overbought position right here on this high right here. Okay. We are at a previous supply zone right now. So we are going to stick to our strategy that we buy resistance and we buy at support, okay? So you're on the Euro US dollar with price in here at this supply zone that's resistance. We can go ahead and sell. Okay. Let me see here. Let me see what price is doing right here. Okay. All right. So we're at a supply zone on the 50-minute time frame, just below it actually. Price already hit it. Okay. Price already hit that supply zone, and you can see it's moving back down. So we could get a breakthrough through this support right here, okay, on this trend line, and that's going to give us some momentum to have price move back down close enough to this demand zone. So let's go ahead and sell on the Euro US dollar. And there it is, guys. We're in two short positions, Aussie CAD and the Euro US dollar. And just like that, using the Pip Hunter Trading Tool, um, just simple like that by clicking the button, and we're in a trade. So if you guys are interested in having this tool as well, go ahead and check out starter membership on our website. Everything is in the description below. All right, check out this US CAD. US CAD. All right, let's go look at the 1 hour here. Okay. So US CAD is on looking at the 1 hour here. We're on a downtrend. Okay. So going back to the 50-minute. All right. Going back to the 50-minute time frame here. We have price creating lower lows. Okay. So price is creating lower highs. Let's put it that way. And didn't break through there. So see how much it is to move to this. Okay. So price to even get to this right here. This is what I have right here actually. If we take a back look here, it's a strong supply zone, okay? But it is right here. Previously, price came back up and tested that supply zone and had some demand, okay? So you can see price wants to come back here and bounce off this previous demand zone, okay? And by the time we even get close to that previous support right here, that's already enough. So we're gonna go ahead and sell. We'll hit our target as price moves back down to this previous. So let's go ahead and sell on the US CAD. So we're getting some short positions today. US CAD, we are short. So far we're in three pairs, guys. We are in three trades right now. Okay. So we're gonna start off the week strong. I like to finish strong. I like to start off strong. That's how I roll. Now, real quick, guys, here's a video brought by our sponsors, 8cap. Okay, this is a video brought by 8cap. If you guys are interested in that broker, go ahead and check out the link in the description below. Um, all the information is there for you guys if you guys are interested in signing up with that broker. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead. We got two pairs left to the New Zealand cat and the cat Swiss. So let's go ahead and check New Zealand cat and the cat Swiss. Looking at this, interesting year. Interesting year. Okay. So this is a nice, strong supply zone that price just broke through. Price just broke through the supply zone. Looks like it came back up and it's testing. We had this huge falling wedge right here, guys. Look at this. And I expect price to come back up here to fill all these imbalance zones. Okay, that's like over 100 pips just to get back to this consolidation on this falling wedge. So going back to the 50-minute time frame, it'll pop up on the screen here. All right, so look at this. We got some negative divergence here. Okay, we have some negative divergence here. So we have price moving up, moving up, and we have momentum going down. Okay, now you can see price is starting to create a lower high here. Price is starting to move down. Okay, so we got some negative divergence, and looking at the sorry, what we were on a you're looking at the we're on a downtrend, just having a correction move. Okay, now it doesn't seem like price is coming back up here to fill this down zone. Your price is testing off this previous demand zone. Doesn't seem like it wants. Oops, what am I doing? Sorry, I want to go to the 15 time frame. So price is testing this demand zone. So go ahead, see here. You can look at these valid highs. Okay, so we were creating. Price didn't break through this previous low yet. Okay, price did not break through these previous lows yet. Hmm. Okay, well, so we got this trend line right here. Okay, price break through this trend line is getting some consolidation. That's usually we get this sideways movement, and then we get a nice little dip in the market. Okay, so with this divergence, momentum showing going down, with the negative divergence, we're at a previous demand supply zone. Okay, this is a previous supply zone. We're gonna go ahead and sell here on the cat Swiss. Cat Swiss, and we're shorting cat Swiss. All right, so we're short in all our positions. Okay, on all our trades besides the New Zealand cat as of now. So let's go ahead and check out the last pair and see what opportunity we have in this last pair. We most likely going to be short in all our trades here. Okay, so look at the 1 hour. So price broke through the 1 hour here. Okay, so I think we're gonna get a little correction. Price is gonna come back up for liquidity, and I expect price to come back down. Let me go back to the 50-minute here. Price is showing me some positive divergence, but okay. So I do see some positive divergence here, and I believe this is gonna be a correction move. Okay, as we uh more of a straight line here, so it's kind of exaggerated divergence here. So with that being said, price not broke through this high. We're on a downtrend here. Could be some consolidation. We could be moving into a small pattern of support and resistance. Price did not break through this low. Price did not break through this high. Okay, so excuse me. So with that being said, we're moving in a little consolidation, support and resistance, as you can see here. So we're in for price to break through this. We're in for price to break through that. Now price is close to the supply zone here, the previous supply zone. Price didn't really come back up here and test this one as much. Hmm, this was interesting. This was interesting. Let's see how much. I don't believe we got in near 20 pips for our target here. So it was what, 13 pips, 16 pips. Yeah, that's interesting. Interesting move, guys. You're on the New Zealand CAD. May it be a little too early to get in this trade right now before I see what price does during this consolidation. Not only that, we're close to a supply zone, but I'm getting a lot of positive divergence. Okay, I'm getting a lot of positive divergence here. So it's showing me the momentum is going to go up. So the New Zealand CAD is something I would have to wait on. Hmm. Um, all right, guys. You know what? Let me see here. Yeah. No, I'm gonna stay out of this. This is a little iffy, a little too early right now to analyze and see where price is gonna go. It could go either way. We could have price come back up, and we could have price go back down. So right now it's a little too early on the New Zealand cat, so I'm gonna stay away from New Zealand cat. So right now we're not getting an all-out trade as of now, which I would like to, but you guys can always keep an eye on this. If you guys want to get in this trade yourself, go ahead and look at this consolidation and see where price breaks. And if price goes ahead and tests that, coming back up, then you want to go ahead and sell. Price comes back up, price breaks through here, comes back up, test this, then you want to go ahead and sell. Okay? Price moves back down. If price wants to come back up, break through this, test here, you want to go ahead and buy right here. Okay? You guys can go ahead and check that trade out and see for yourself. But as of right now, it's a little too early for me to get in this trade. This price can go either way. So we're gonna stay away from the New Zealand CAD, fortunately. And we're gonna stick with our trades that we have. Okay, so let me go ahead and go do a recap here. If you guys missed out. So we're short in every position. In every trade we're short right now, besides the New Zealand CAD, we're not in the New Zealand CAD. So we're short US CAD, short CAD Swiss, and we're short the Aussie CAD, and we're also short on the Euro US dollar. Okay, so that is it for today. If you guys have not smashed the like button, please go ahead and support the channel by smashing the like button on the YouTube channel. As well, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe to Traders Network Club, and you can go ahead and subscribe to FxBigDog's channel. Okay. And if you guys are interested in our professional membership, go ahead and check it out on our website. We are doing amazing with our Pip Hunter Trade Replicator. It is over 150% in 2021, and we're on pace to go over near 250% this year. Okay, so go ahead and check that out on our professional membership. If you have any questions on our Trade Replicator, you can always go and email us at support@tradersnetworkclub.com. Okay, I appreciate you guys watching and supporting us. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another Pip Hunter Trading show. Okay, we do this live every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday at 9:30 a.m. Okay, it does say 9:15 right there. I need to change that at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for another Pip Hunter Trading show. Guys, take care and enjoy the day.